Hey Google, activate PS3.
Activating PS3.
This is a follow-up of my previous video which showed vertical lines on my flat screen TV. As you can remember, cleaning the cables didn't fix the problem. My next option after that was replacing the T-Con board. I went online and I searched for it and I found one. It was $38 Canadian plus taxes, plus another $38 for shipping. That would have brought it to just under $100. While I was searching for this, it happened to be Black Friday. And a big box store happened to have these TVs coming in by the truckload, and they were practically giving them away. So I went out and I picked up this one, 55-inch LG. And as you can see, crystal clear image on it. Hey Google, turn off the TV.
Okay, turning off the TV.
Now, the issue that we have with these new TVs is that, if you remember, my old one had a pedestal stand in the middle. So no matter what size TV you had, it would fit on the desk. But these new ones, they've now put the feet on the outside, which means it did not fit on the stand. So what I had to do was I had to remove the old top, and I bought 2 pine planks, laminated them together, and created a longer tabletop for it. And now it sits very well on it. I kind of like it this way. And even though it was a bigger TV by 5 inches, it's actually a little shorter than my previous one. And that's because the actual frame is a lot thinner than my previous one. So the screen is bigger, but the actual TV is shorter. So just to let you know that I opted not to fix the other one because purchasing this one was just a much better deal. Thank you very much for joining me today. We'll see you later.